What does a web developer do? And just how effective can any number of web development services be for your site's performance? In today's video, we're answering those questions and discussing how increased competition in the online sphere can also lead to increased opportunity for your business. Stick around for more. Hello, and welcome back to the CS Design Studios YouTube channel, where we share all of our digital marketing tricks of the trade. Last month, we discussed the importance of local SEO to target your ideal client and greatly increase your chances of converting a potential customer into a paying client. So be sure to check that one out, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the video that could hold the secret to increasing your conversions online. Let's get started. Web developers create and maintain websites. Though this is a broad definition, there are a variety of services that a web development company may offer, such as the creation of a new website, the implementation of e-commerce programming on an existing site, the revamping of a site to make it more mobile-friendly, and much more. In this day and age, online web content has become a business's calling card. Thankfully, there are now destination marketing organizations complete with a knowledgeable team capable of providing full-stack web solutions to an organization of any size. Web development has come a long way in recent years, leading customers to expect an online experience of a higher caliber than ever before. While this increases competition, it also increases opportunity for a business that might have otherwise been left out of the game with traditional marketing methods. Website development is a way to make people aware of the services or products you have to offer, understand why your products are useful or necessary, and see what about your company sets it apart from your competitors, all without having to outspend your competitors on physical marketing materials. Business outcomes are now less dependent on marketing budget and more dependent on having the right web development team in your corner. At CS Design Studios, we know that different businesses require different web development services in order to make the most impact and provide the best return on investment. As the local Tucson web development and marketing leaders, we employ a targeted approach to earn each of our clients the results they deserve and provide the support to help them grow. We invite you to learn more with a visit to our website at csdesignstudios.com. And thank you for watching. We look forward to helping you grow your business with every new video.